launcher. Manual frisbee launchers are handheld devices that are powered by the user's arm motion. They typically consist of a handle with a sling or a spring-loaded mechanism that launches the frisbee. Manual frisbee launchers are a great way to play fetch with your dog or to throw frisbees with friends. Automatic frisbee launchers are powered by batteries or electricity. They can be programmed to throw frisbees at different distances and angles. Automatic frisbee launchers are a great way to get exercise or to practice your frisbee skills. They can throw frisbees farther than you can. This is great for playing fetch with dogs or for throwing frisbees to friends who are far away. They can help you practice your frisbee skills. Automatic frisbee launchers can be programmed to throw frisbees at different distances and angles, which can help you improve your accuracy and throwing power. They can provide exercise for you and your dog. Playing fetch with a frisbee launcher is a great way to get exercise for both you and your dog. If you are looking for a fun and easy way to get exercise or to practice your frisbee skills, then a frisbee launcher is a great option. There are many different types of frisbee launchers available, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. E-skate. An electric skateboard, also known as an e-skate or e-board, is a motorized skateboard that uses an electric motor to propel the rider forward. E-skates are becoming increasingly popular as a fun and eco-friendly way to get around. They typically consist of a deck, trucks, wheels, and a battery-powered motor. The motor is usually mounted on the trucks or wheels, and it is powered by a rechargeable battery pack. The rider controls the speed and direction of the e-skate using a wireless remote control. E-skates can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and they have a range of up to 15 miles on a single charge. They are becoming increasingly popular for commuting, as well as for recreation. They are fun and easy to ride. E-skates are a great way to get around town or to just have some fun. They are easy to learn to ride, and they can be a lot of fun to use. They are eco-friendly. E-skates are a zero-emissions form of transportation, which means they are good for the environment. They are portable and convenient. Tree house. A tree house is a structure built around, next to, or among the trunk or branches of one or more mature trees. Tree houses can be used for recreation, workspace, habitation, a hangout space and observation. The use of tree houses in this manner is part of a movement towards the practice of living architecture. Tree houses may be considered as an option for building eco-friendly houses in forested areas, because unlike more typical forms of housing, they do not require the clearing of trees. Tree houses have been around for centuries, and they have been used for a variety of purposes. In some cultures, tree houses are used as homes, while in others they are used as playhouses or observation decks. Tree houses can be simple or elaborate, and they can be made from a variety of materials. They are fun and unique. Tree houses are a great way to add some fun and excitement to your backyard. Gatling fireworks. A Gatling firework is a type of Roman candle that fires multiple shots in rapid succession, creating a dazzling display of light and sound. They are named after the Gatling gun, a rapid-fire machine gun invented in the 1860s. Gatling fireworks typically consist of a long tube filled with multiple pyrotechnic charges. Each charge is ignited in sequence, creating a continuous stream of fireballs, stars, and other effects. The number of shots can vary from a few dozen to several hundred, and the firing rate can be as high as several hundred shots per minute. Gatling fireworks are often used in large-scale pyrotechnic displays, such as those held at amusement parks and national holidays. They can also be used for smaller private events, such as weddings and parties. They create a spectacular and memorable display. Gatling fireworks are sure to impress your guests with their dazzling display of light and sound. They are relatively easy to set up and use. Hubless wheel motorcycle. *A hubless wheel motorcycle is a motorcycle that uses wheels that do not have a central hub. Instead, the tire is supported by a large ring that is mounted to the rim of the wheel. The motor and other components of the wheel are mounted inside the ring. Hubless wheel motorcycles have a number of advantages over traditional motorcycles with spoked wheels. They are typically lighter and more aerodynamic, which can improve performance and fuel economy. They are also less likely to be damaged by potholes and other road hazards. Additionally, the Hubless design can provide a more comfortable ride, as there are no spokes to vibrate or transmit noise. However, Hubless motorcycles also have some disadvantages. They can be more expensive to manufacture than traditional motorcycles, and they may be more difficult to repair. Super accurate slingshot. A super accurate slingshot is a slingshot that is designed to be as accurate as possible. These slingshots typically have a number of features that help to improve accuracy, such as a long and stable frame, a comfortable grip, and a precision machined release mechanism. The Scout LT is a popular slingshot from Simple Shot. It is made from lightweight aluminum and features a comfortable ergonomic grip. The Scout LT is a great choice for target shooting and plinking. The Tantrum SL is a high-end slingshot from Wits Wood. It is made from CNC machined aluminum and features a number of adjustable features, such as the fork angle and the band tension. The Tantrum SL is a great choice for serious target shooters. In addition to the slingshot itself, there are a number of other factors that can affect accuracy, such as the type of ammunition, the band tension, and the shooting technique. It is important to experiment with different factors to find what works best for you. Use a consistent grip. Walking Humanoid Mechanism Robot. A walking humanoid mechanism robot is a type of robot that is designed to walk like a human. These robots typically have a bipedal design, with 2 legs and 2 feet. They are powered by motors and actuators that allow them to move their legs in a coordinated way. Walking humanoid robots are often equipped with sensors that allow them to perceive their surroundings and avoid obstacles. There are many different designs of walking humanoid mechanism robots. Some robots have a very human-like appearance, while others are more stylized or mechanical. Some robots are designed for specific tasks, such as walking over rough terrain or carrying objects, while others are more general purpose. Walking humanoid mechanism robots have a wide range of potential applications. They could be used in search and rescue operations, disaster relief, and construction. PVC RC Boat. A PVC RC boat is a type of remote-controlled boat that is made out of PVC pipe. PVC pipe is a versatile and inexpensive material that is easy to work with, making it a popular choice for DIY RC boat builders. PVC RC boats can be powered by electric motors, gasoline engines, or even air compressors. They can be as simple or as complex as the builder desires, and they can be used for a variety of purposes, such as racing, recreation, or even fishing. Affordability. PVC pipe is a relatively inexpensive material, so you can build a PVC RC boat for a fraction of the cost of a pre-made RC boat. Ease of construction. PVC pipe is easy to cut and glue together, so you can build a PVC RC boat with just a few basic tools. Versatility. PVC RC boats can be powered by a variety of motors and can be customized to fit your specific needs. Durability. PVC pipe is a strong and durable material, so your PVC RC boat will be able to withstand years of use. If you are interested in building your own PVC RC boat, there are many resources available online. There are also a number of RC boat forums where you can get advice from other builders. The size of the boat. The size of your boat will depend on the type of motor you plan to use and the amount of space you have available. The type of motor. You can use an electric motor, a gasoline engine, or even an air compressor to power your boat.